say? Oh, that's right. And what's that?
Duck. Fish.
That's a fish. That's right. What's that?
Duck.
That's right. Duck. Should we see? Ooh, what are those?
Fish.
That's right. Shoes. And what's that? What's that?
Apple.
That's right. Well, that's an apple.
Nana.
And that's a nana. And what's this? What's this drink? What's this, Freya? Is that milk or juice? What is it?
Bow.
Bow. It's not bow. Let's see what else there is. Ooh, I know. Let's look in this book. This is your favorite one. What does a cow say?
Moo.
That's right. Cow says moo. And what does, we don't know what a snail says. Ooh, what? Do you want to do this one again? I think our favorite's a cat. What else have we got? There's no animals in this book, I don't think. Oh, look. Dog. What does a dog say? Freya, what does a dog say? Freya. What does a dog say? Nothing? They're quiet? What's that? Doll. Baby doll.
Day.
That's right. And look, what's this? Look, baby.
Baby.
That's baby. And look, what does the dog say, sweetheart? What does the doggy say? You know.
Duck.
That's a doll. What does a dog say? Look, honey. Doggy. No, my doggy doesn't say. That's a piggy.
Day.
Should we read this one? Let's read this one and have a look. Okay, so we know already what a cow says. And the chickies, what do they say? Cheep, cheep, cheep. What does a pig say? What does a duck say? Quack, quack. What does a goat say?
Bah.
Well, yes, that's right. And a rooster? Cock-a-doodle-doo. Doggy? Woof, woof. And a donkey? Eat-on. Eat-on? Eat-on. And look. Cheep, cheep.
Freya, what does a crocodile do?
What does a crocodile do? Freya, what does a crocodile do? Oh, do you know what? Grab 10 chirpy chicks. That's Wriggly Wigglies. It's underneath. The bottom. Yeah. Do you want to read 10 chirpy chicks? Oh. Come. You like this one. We got all the animals in this one. Ready? Look. 10 chirpy chicks out walking in a line. One joined some puppies in the bright sunshine. What do puppies say? Thank you. What do puppies say? What does a puppy say? That's right. Okay. And then 9 friendly chicks all quickly skipping by. One stays with a pig rolling in the sky. What is a pig? That's right. Okay. 8 happy chicks are singing cheep, cheep, cheep. One wanders off to natter with the sheep.
Bah.
That's right. 7 cheeping chicks all hear it. That's right, a noisy neigh. One stops with a horse in the golden hay. It's what number is that? You know that's number 6. 6 noisy chicks are searching for some seeds. Then we skip to the next page. What does the goat say? Ooh, cat. Meow. Cow.
What did cows say, Freya?
Freya, what does the cow say?
No.
No. What does the bird say? Tweet, tweet, tweet. And look, that's the end of the book. Freya, I think you really know your animal noises.